Scottails, oh. Hi, everybody. Thank you and welcome to another edition of Scottails. My name is Scott Hostetler. Scottails is the show that gives you ideas on how to better entertain your guests. And today is our special Valentine's Day show. Yes, on Valentine's Day, you'll want to look your best. I remember my dad once took me to this cheap barber. Boy, he was cheap because he only cut hair in one hairstyle, his. I was the only second grader with a comb over. Thank you. I was darling. Anyway, today we're going to show you how to treat your queen on Valentine's Day to the Red Queen. Now, it is a festive gin-based cocktail named for the Red Queen in Alice in Wonderland. It's kind of a twist on a cosmopolitan, and it was created by Lucy Parisi of the supergoldenbakes.com. And it goes a little bit like this. We're going to start with our mug here, and we are going to put in 1 1/3 to 1.5 ounces of gin. All right, this is Highclere Castle gin. Highclere Castle gin is 87 proof, and it expresses a robust balance of juniper, lime flower, orange peel, and a touch of lavender, which was planted by the Bishop of Winchester in the 9th century in Highclere Castle's gardens. And that's where this gin comes from today. Then we're going to put in 1 ounce of Saint Germain elderflower liqueur. Now, this is the difference in the Cosmo and the Red Queen in that we're using elderflower. Then we're going to add 2 ounces for the red of a famous cranberry juice cocktail. 2 ounces of that. And then just for fun, about 3/4 ounces of lemon juice. We're going to put that on here. And we will shake it up. Well, a girl says to her boyfriend, "I watched a guy do 50 push-ups today. Can you do that?" He said, "Certainly. In fact, I could probably watch a guy do 100 push-ups." That's dedication. Now, we're going to strain this. We shook it up for about 15 seconds. We're going to strain this into a glass. And there's the red in the Red Queen. How beautiful. Now we're going to garnish with some candied strawberries just to show them that we love them. Would you like to have a little taste here? Yes! Very nice. Like I said, cosmopolitan, only with an elderflower back. It is sweet, a little tart. You will love that, and so will your queen on Valentine's Day. But this reminds me of what Lord Penfield said in 1867. He said, "In the grand and disorderly pursuit of life, perfection is ill-advised, except in the case of cocktails." Aww. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember what we say here at Scottails, drink up, because it's almost closing time somewhere.